Imagine this, your liver, your body's silent hero, working 24/7 to clean your blood, digest food, and fight toxins, all without a single complaint. But even heroes need support. And some of the best allies come from your fruit bowl. Let's start with the mighty blueberry. These tiny blue wonders are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. A handful a day could keep liver trouble away. Next, red grapes. Packed with resveratrol, they boost liver function and protect it from damage. Go for the whole fruit over just the juice. Now meet the classic apple. Full of fiber and pectin, apples help the liver flush out toxins efficiently. One a day really can make a difference. And here's a tropical champion, papaya. It's great for digestion and reduces liver inflammation thanks to its enzyme-rich profile. When you eat these fruits regularly, you're not just snacking. You're giving your liver the fuel it needs to thrive. So the next time you reach for a snack, let it be for your liver's best friend, fruit. For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.